Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding the classic vinaigrette. A 3:1 oil to vinegar ratio gives balance. For a small batch, whisk 1/4 cup vinegar with 3/4 cup extra virgin olive oil in a bowl. Add 1 tsp Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt. Mustard helps emulsify. Season with 1/2 teaspoons sugar or honey if the vinegar is sharp. Whisk vigorously or shake in a jar until combined and slightly thickened. Then taste and adjust acidity or salt. Control texture and flavor by whisking or shaking. Whisk vigorously for 30 seconds or shake a lidded jar to blend oil and vinegar until slightly thickened. If the vinegar tastes too sharp, stir in 1/2 teaspoons sugar or honey. For savory depth, add 1 small minced shallot or 1 clove garlic, or fold in 1 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs like parsley, basil, or dill. For creamier mouthfeel, blend with 1 tablespoon plain yogurt or 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and adjust seasoning. Serve and store vinaigrette properly to keep it fresh. Transfer dressing to a sealed jar and refrigerate for up to 1 week. Cold storage slows flavor loss. Remember, oil and vinegar separate naturally, so always shake or re-whisk before using to recombine the emulsion. Use the 3:1 oil to vinegar ratio as your baseline, then adjust for stronger acidity or milder taste depending on greens and toppings. When refrigerating, allow chilled oil to return to room temperature before tossing with salad for even coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.